Hey, what's up guys? Kat Ray here. So I'm so excited about this video because we will be setting up a 36-inch Blackstone griddle for my husband Josh. This is kind of a gift for him, but this is going to benefit him, me, and Shiloh because he's going to make some delicious food. So if you're curious what one of these and how easy this griddle is to set up, stick around. So I'm just letting Josh do most of the unpacking, and you can notice how he just kind of throws all the cardboard all over the place, but honestly that's mostly a man thing and I'll probably be the one going up and cleaning that up, but hey, let him go for it. Okay, well we will follow these instructions, see what we can do about getting this thing all set up.
It's only got it.
Can we just magically put it together without having to try hard? Step.
There she is. Throwing it together.
Oh yes, I'm so excited about this.
Yeah, me too.
No, you gotta tighten them for me. I just did the initial part. You gotta do the hard work.
This is the hard one. Yes, we got it all set up. Let's go clean it.
leaf blow girl.
We're finally done with that project. It took us maybe 45 minutes to fully set that up because, I mean, we weren't being super quick about it, but I got it washed off. Now Josh is going to do some seasoning of it because he's very good at those things. I'm just excited for some yummy food. So remember, work hard, play hard. See you on the next project.